In this video, we're going to talk about a 1999 Mazda NB 1.8 liter engine. What's that water leak behind the engine? And I discovered this by almost overheating the car on my way to work. And this car is an automatic, and right there in the frame, not this top thing but the one down there out of the light, is a hose, a coolant hose that blew out, and there's a big gaping hole in it. You can see how badly the hose is damaged just right there. And so I've got to reach in there and get that clamp off so I can throw a new hose in there. That's what we're about to do. I think this camera's going to be in my way, probably. Yeah, I need a little bit more of a down angle. So we're going to bring the camera up first. Hand in there. And try to see what I'm doing. Got a hold of the clamp twice. I need is my other hand to pull on the hose. Alright, that's what we're going to do. I can reach underneath the intake and pull on the hose. It's almost there. Anyways, when you blow this hose out, you'll know it. And that's where it is. So that's what this video is all about. Catch up to you later.